Greetings, teachers. This is Miss Henderson, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to go through the Student Treasures Kit that you received today. There are only 4 teachers that we are waiting for your kit to arrive, and as soon as your kit arrives, I will deliver it to you in your classroom. But I wanted to go through the pieces that's inside the box so you'll understand what is included. So first of all, please do not throw your box away. You will need the box to send your completed book back in. So do not throw your box away. And there's another reason why you don't want to throw your box away. Okay? Inside your box, you will find 2 examples, maybe 1, depending on the level that you receive. This is more so for the lower grades. And this one is more so for the upper grade. It is a completed book. It's an example of what your book will look like once you and your scholars are complete with your book. So this is more for the lower grades. And this book here is more so for the upper grades. So I'm not sure which one you have in your kit, but this is what it will look like once it's complete. You also have a quick start teacher guide. So teachers take a few minutes to read through this so you'll understand, and it's inside as well. It gives you step-by-step instruction and the back. So this is from you to keep. I'll come to this part at the end. There is a return postage that you will put on the box when we get ready to return these back in March. So March 17th, we will be returning all of the kits, and you will need to put this on the front of the box. So that is the one reason you don't want to throw your box away, okay? They have just a little note in here where we can't wait to see the book your students create. Just a little note for the teacher. There is a poster, and I would like to have all teachers to post this poster in your classroom, and it gives you steps. So this is just another reminder for you. So as you go through the steps, you can check them off, and that way you know that you have completed everything before we get ready to send them back in March. So please post this poster in your classroom. Just a little gift card information. If you want to refer some friends, you may be able to earn $100. There is a final order checklist. This is another piece that you just need to hold on to for the time being, and you'll complete the top part where it says share the funds, send this home, things you need to do as you're going through the process to get your scholars ready to publish their first book. Now, you will find a little stack of papers that looks like this. Say share the fund and ensure you receive your free class book. So in order for you and your scholars to receive a free class book, every scholar must have a completed form. This is considered like their permission slip. And the front side is in English. The back side is in Spanish for our Spanish speaking scholars. So teachers just tear these out and place them inside of your scholar's yellow folder for Tuesday, along with an envelope. You should have 2 stacks of envelopes, and whether or not their parents are going to order the book or not, these still will go home, because you never know, some of the parents may want to buy the class book. But you send an envelope home, and you send home the order form that is inside of this little stack of papers. Put these in their take-home folder for Tuesday, and every scholar must have one of these on file in order to receive the free book. You will have to return these, and it tells you that collect all of the order forms, even if the parents check no. So every scholar must have one of these along with the envelope. And if their parents say no, they don't want to buy the book, they do not have to return the envelope, but they do have to return the form. If your parents decide that they want to purchase the book, you will place the money inside of this envelope and check here if you use Scriptsy or online bookmakers to create your books. We're not doing any of those, but you just put your school name, the teacher name, the book title, whatever your class book title is, and then it just has some other information on the back. You put the money in here, and you need the confirmation page, everything inside this envelope. Everything that you need is inside of the box. Again, please make sure that you hold on to your box because you're going to have to put the kits back inside of the box. And speaking of the kits, you will have an envelope that looks like this, okay? Inside of that envelope, you will have a form that says these are the draft, the final draft. So that means your scholars are not writing on these until the very end. So these are the draft form. You will have, and it's labeled. Everything is labeled. You'll have one that says this is for the cover, and then by, who is it by, who are you dedicating the book to. Then it has a blank page, number 1, and this is for the lower grades. I ordered this kit for the other first grade class that does not have a teacher at the moment. So you see how their pages are. So each scholar would get this page and a blank page. That's all they would get. They will write their story and draw a picture. Write their story, draw a picture. And they turn these 2 into you, and that's it. And you give each one 2 sheets. Write the story, draw a picture. Then you go to your next scholar, write the story, draw a picture. And you will just continue to do that until you've given out all that you need to give out to your scholars. And once you're done, you're just going to return all of these. There is another page in here that says meet the author. And this is where you can have all of your scholars just write their first name on this sheet here. And again, you just have some blank pages in the back. So there is one final part that's inside of that envelope, and it just says, hooray, you're automatically entered in the National Book Challenge when you publish. So just some more information for you. And on the back, some additional information. So all of this is inside of your kit. I ask that you seek out your parents and ask your parents if they will support you. You decide what the topic is going to be. Ms. Henderson will not decide that. Or you can engage your scholars and you all come up with a topic that the class would like to write about. This book will be a class book. So every scholar in your class will write a story, draw a picture. It's going to be put together into one book. And that book will be returned to you as a class book. And it will be like this. So if I go into this book and then notice that on the first page it say the first graders. This is for the first graders at Blessed Sacrament School. And it's dedicated to our family. And you can show this book to your scholar as an example. So this is one of the stories that one of the scholars has written. And then the next story. And apparently they were talking about down deep in the blue sea. Everyone wrote a story. Looks like a poem. But you can share this book with your scholars. So that way they understand how their book is going to turn out. And at the very end, they have an afterwards. So this is where the teacher may have typed some information about the class. You can write your own. They also have the signature page. So this is what it looks like. And you may have some scholars that may want to draw some extra pictures on the back. Add that information to it, and that's it. Your book will come to you like this. This is a hard book. The other book is a soft book that was for the upper grade. It's more softback, but it has the same thought. You have about the author. So this is one. Now this one is more of the premiere. The premiere book is where the parents will have to pay $20 ahead of time. We did not order that kit. The only kit that we did order to make sure that all of our scholars are able to participate is the class book because it's completely free. This one will require them to pay upfront. So we're not doing the premiere. So once the books are sent back in March, you will receive the books back, the hardback books in April, like mid-April, and then we'll have a celebration where we have like an author's tea, a book signing, so that way we can really praise all of our scholars for their hard work, their engagement, their writing efforts, their reading efforts, because it really does take a lot for our scholars to step outside their comfort zone. But I just wanted to go through the kit to make sure that everybody knew and understood what was inside the kit. Please take some time to read through the information in your kit. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. Thank you and have a great day.